Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will learn font color, font size and all. What is this font? If you want to change your text in different format, you can make it. So before going to learn a new concept, new tags, let's revise what we have learned in the last session. Last session we have learned the font styles like bold, italic and underline. So now you know and you practiced also this bold, italic, underline tags as well as superscript and subscript tag. So this we have learned in the last session. But right now you don't know how we can apply color to this text or how can we increase the size of this text as well as how we can apply a different font. Now if you will see these all fonts are same. If you want like cursive type of fonts, some dark type of fonts, so different types of fonts you can get it. But how to get those fonts, that we are going to learn in today's session. So let's go for the practical. This I have explained theoretically, and let's learn how we can do these all things practically. So here I'm going to take one file which basic structure already I have prepared here. So the basic structure is open with notepad and the basic structure is here. HTML head, title, head, body. So in body, which text, suppose this Chowra School, this text I want in red color. So what I need to type, font font, then color is equal to red. This tag we need to type here. The main tag is font. Whenever you want to change the size of font or color of font, you can use this font tag. So we have typed here font color is equal to red. Red should be in inverted comma. Just make it sure. Then this will appear. And we don't want to break line right now. So I deleted that. So I'm going to save this and I'm going to open that file. Okay, so I want to open. Here it is. I have double click on that file. Now this see Chowra School appear with the red color. So this way you can apply color to the text. I hope you understood. Suppose I want green, then rough this and just type green. But you need to type full this font color is equal to inverted comma color name, and after that immediately you need to close this tag. Got it? So, and after doing some changes, save this and do refresh in Internet Explorer. So now color is changed. I hope so you understood. Suppose we want to apply two color and two different colors, two lines and two different colors. So again, I want this school name. So here we will break the line with BR. And again, I want this Chowra School. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy because we want to type same thing. So I selected, right click, copy. Before this we want, so right click and paste. Now this I want to apply another color, blue color. Okay, so this way we can take another text, another color. But before that we need to close the first font. Got it? If you will not close, it will apply to next text also. Let's check without closing the font tag what happens. I'm going to save and I'm going to refresh. Okay, so one is with green color, one is with blue color. It appeared here, but before this you need to please close this without fail. Like this you can close. Sometime it won't show the result as you want. It won't show the separate colors. So be careful. You need to type this, okay, and change it. So here we learn two different lines and two different colors. Same way we can apply the size, different size. So let's learn how we can apply the size. So when we want to apply the size to it, we can write here after the color attribute size. When you want to specify the size, you need to write here size, and what size you want to apply to it, we can apply to this 3. Okay, and To this we will apply 5. Okay, two different size I have applied, 3 and 5, so we can understand the difference between this. So go for save and do refresh. Now see, this is a normal size is 3. When we type, it appears with the 3 size. So when you want to increase the size, please apply the size more than 3. So you will understand the difference. Now let me do this one, 7. And I'm going to save this file. And I'm going to refresh this one. So now this size is 7 and this size is 5. So this way you can apply the size and you can increase the text size which you want to increase. So till now, dear students, we have learned that how we can apply font color and font size. Now we are going to learn font face. Font face means we can apply different fonts also with this. So dear students, when you want to change font, it is very important that you should know the font, different fonts face name. Okay. So if you don't know the name, then it would be difficult. So here I'm going to introduce some names that you can utilize. Also you can get from the Microsoft Word. So for if you want to make a change in the font, you have to write here face. The attribute is face is equal to, in inverted comma, you need to type the name of font. Here I have typed brush script empty. It will appear like a little cursive type with the brush. Okay, this is a font name, brush script empty. So with the help of this, you can type this one. Got it? Now, next is we will type here font face. Okay, first we will complete this one. We will check the result of this, how it appear. Okay, size also will reduce little bit. We'll give 4. And I'm going to save this. And I'm going to refresh here. So you can see this normal text is this one. And now we have applied brush script empty. The name of font is brush script empty. It appears like this, cursive type. Now if you want, see Microsoft Word, I'll type here. So you can find out this way also. So this is a font size. Okay, this is a font size, brush script empty. Suppose you want such type of text, Chaura School in this form. So this font name is Algerian. So without spelling mistake, you need to type. So I'm copying from here. I selected this and I copied from here. And I'm going to Notepad, and for the second one, I want to give face is equal to, in inverted comma, Algerian, and close this and save this file. Save this file and open into browser. Refresh. Now you can see the font which we have observed here. Same font appear in our website also. How it appear? Because we have applied the name Algerian. So you should know the font name. So from where you will get the fonts, go to Microsoft Word, start Microsoft Word, and in this font home tab you will get all these fonts. So whichever style font you would like to apply. Now this one also good, Chiller. Okay, so let's do the first one. We will try with the Chiller. What to do? The changes in font face and name you can apply here. Chiller. Okay, and save this. But if your font word, whatever name of the font is spelling is wrong, then it won't appear in that way. So now this Chiller effect also applied. So in today's this video, we have learned up to now how we can apply font, how we can apply font size, font color, and font type. So these things you please keep practicing, and it would be more easiest for you. So just see the structure how we can type. It's very simple. Type font in angle bracket. If you want to apply, you have to type color and color name in inverted comma. If you want to apply the size, then type size is equal to, and from 3 onwards. Then face is, you need to type these names. So you should know some names. So I'll list out some names and I'll share with the homework. Okay. So don't worry, you can just try with this all. Bold, italic, underline we have learned in last session already. So please practice these things. Okay.